Hello and welcome to the training videos of School Diary mobile application. In this video, we'll look at the daycare and the contacts module. So go ahead and open the app. So once you open, go to the daycare menu option. You'll see the list name of all the kids listed there. We'll just go ahead and pick say Alan Singh. Once you come in, you'll see different menu options for the daycare. Now, touching on each of them, timing, for example, denotes the check-in and the check-out time for every kid every day. Now, by default, it populates the time which we have given in the system as 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. But if the kid stays for a duration longer than this, right, then we can capture this information and share it with the parents. So it helps the school in the billing while it is being very transparent to the parent to indicate how much their kid is actually spending their time in the daycare. Similarly, the food option gives you the ability to share whether the kid had any serving of breakfast, snacks, lunch, or dinner, or snacks in the PM, and sharing it with the parents so that they are well informed how much the kid is eating during the day. Similarly, for liquids, milk, whether they are consuming anything, whether water they are consuming regularly, and all this information shared. Diaper and clothes, you have the ability to share with the parents how much of diapers they had provided and how many of them were consumed at what time. Say for example at 2:30 p.m. because the kid had wet the diaper, right? Similarly, you can do it for clothes. It gives you the ability to share, if any medication was given to a child who was not so well. So you can probably pick up a time, say at 5:31 p.m. Timnec as a medicine was given in 5 ml to the kid, right? Similarly, if the kid slept in the daycare, you can mention that he slept from say 12:30 to 1:30, an hour. So a parent knows, the kid was feeling comfortable and slept. Similarly, if there is any learnings, you can probably say, type it out here and share it with the parent. Similarly, if there is any request, you can share with the parent. Now, one other interesting aspect is you can share the overall mood of the kid with the parent on that day. Now, this goes to the parent as a report, and it is very handy and engaging for them to get to know about their child's life in daycare while they were away at work without calling you or talking to you for a prolonged period of time to figure out what has happened. You can quickly use this menu option, say spend 30 seconds to 1 minute for per child and share the whole day in a snapshot with the parent. So that's it about daycare. Once you come in, outside it shows you 7 by 11 against Alan Singh. It just shows that, out of 11 menu options which are available, we have shared 7 with the parent. Now clicking on the contacts, it gives you two options. The first is children and parent info, and the second is groups. Groups is regular. You can create a group by clicking on plus, pick a name, hit next, and select whoever you want to have in the group and hit the save button. Once you do that, the group will be created and added to your list. You can use the refresh button to refresh the list. Similarly, you can click on children and parent information, click on any particular child and see their information. If there is an emergency, you can directly click on the contact number of the parent and make a call from here. So that's it for this particular video. We'll come back with other videos for other topics. Thank you.